everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am installing locks, but today it's not going to be micro locks. It's going to be more of a traditional size, but she also wants them to be maintained by interlocking. So I'm going to install them the way I would micro locks, just a lot bigger. So I'm just showing you the texture of her hair and the length, and I'm going to shampoo and get started. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe, and if you are returning, thank you so much for all your support, and let's get into these locks. So this is right after a shampoo, and I'm going to use my shea butter mix on her hair. Depending on the length of the hair, it will usually depend on how much shea butter I add to my hand. But after I rub it all the way through, it really just melts like butter and it becomes like a nice oil. And then I just spread that all over the hair and smooth that all in. And then I'm going to blow dry. So she's not very particular about her parts, so I'm just starting in the back as I usually would do, and making the sections the size that she wanted. I'm also using the Maintain gel on the roots to get the parts nice and crisp. That's my favorite part because it's going to not only make those parts crisp, but it'll give it a nice hold at the roots as I'm starting off on its braid. And then after I start my section, I start off braiding, and then the rest I'm going to twist, and I will also be using my Maintained curl and twist custard on the twisted part, and that's what's going to give it a nice hold and a shine as well. And as I'm going, I notice you can't really see me working on her hair because of my big shoulder standing in the way, so I apologize for that, and we'll just skip through the parts until you can be able to see. So now that it's all done, I'm just adding up the finishing touches. I like to add on my growth oil, which is the Black Seed Root Stimulator, and I'll put that all over the scalp and then massage it through. And then afterwards, I will also add on my braid foam wrap, and that kind of seals in the style. I recommend all my clients who start their lock journey, especially if they're getting a retightening, interlocking as their way of maintaining their locks. I recommend them coming back after 4 weeks, and then after that first retightening, they're more than welcome to come between 8 and 12 weeks, depending on how fast their hair grows. So this is her lock journey, day 1, and if you are interested in seeing her progress, please feel free to subscribe so that you can see her updates and see how nice her locks start to form. So hopefully you subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.